Okay guys and girls and everybody else, I'm out here in the parking lot gonna play with the drone a little bit. I have it sitting just behind my van, already got it running, so I'm just gonna elevate a little bit.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Gotta be careful with the wires here and try not to peek in people's windows. So I'm just gonna fly over into the bunny area. And we'll have a little bit more of a look at the bunny path, if you will. Yep, there's the bulls. We'll go check that out a little bit more. Whoop. Yeah, I gotta be careful on those trees there. They're get real close real fast. That should almost be right over top of that thing. Yeah, actually I think I'm a little past it. I need to back up a little bit. There we go. Now we'll lower down a bit. What a dirty area. It's going to start beeping at me because I'm so low. Yep, that's the bunny bowl. It looks messy because there's food bits everywhere and everything. Anyway, going up a little bit. Now, inside the tree, oh, let's get looking forward here. Inside that tree is where the magpie nests are, and I dare not fly too close to it. Oh, actually, I want to just go sideways a little bit, like that. Yeah, pretty hard to tell, but the nest is in there somewhere. Let's see if we can get a little bit closer before it starts beeping at me. Actually, it's doing pretty good. No beeping yet. And I'm just sitting over here. Anyway, we'll see if we can look down. Yeah, you can see that we're in the twigs there, so we got to be careful with what we do. Anyway, back that puppy up a little bit. And turn it around over here. And I don't know if you can see me, but we'll fly this way a little bit. And there you can see me. Now I gotta pay attention to the wires here because they're all over the place. We'll bring it down a little bit and forward. We'll go hunting bunnies. See if we can find them. no bunnies down there. Nope. Fly the other way. Looking for bunnies. Oh, hey, look at that. Hi, BB. Where's my bunny? Hi, my BB. Yeah, there's me flying it. I come and spy on you. Yep. It's a good girl. Okay. I'm gonna fly it away now. That's my good bunny. Well, anyway, you guys can see where BB is at the building next door. Anyway, I'm very close to some wires, so I'm going to get going. And I think I'm bothering BB anyway. Okay, so we'll fly it away a little bit. See you later, BB. Be a good girl. Alright, we'll turn back into the parking lot. And I think we can just about land there. I think that looks like a good spot. So we'll tell it to land.
Landing.
Yeah, maybe we'll back it up a little bit. Beautiful. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. Well, thanks everyone for having a peek. And we will catch you on the next video. And now we all know where BB hides during the day. Take care, everyone. Bye for now.